If you want to be successful in life, you need to set hard priorities. I've thought about this a lot lately because I catch myself kind of being unclear about what is important in my life. And that led to me having priorities I wasn't even aware of. And I think this is true for many people out there. Many people have priorities that they didn't set intentionally. Many people sit down scrolling all day, binge watching Netflix shows, whatever. And that's obviously a priority for them. But then they're wondering why they are not successful in other areas of their lives. Well, guess what? You set different priorities, or at least they were kind of set for you by life and society. I want you to think about this. Think about what are the top 3 priorities in your life. And if you have difficulty to come up with an answer, just think about how you spend your time. How many hours a day do you spend in front of a screen? How many hours a day do you spend working out? How many hours a day do you spend with your family or your friends? And it will become pretty clear to yourself what your top priorities are. And I want you to be completely honest with yourself. This is not about calling you out. Sometimes it's just helpful to catch yourself lying to yourself. And I think this is the thing many people get wrong. They say, or they even think, they even believe that something is a priority for them, but they don't really behave like it is. And one example of my life, for many years, I wanted to be a writer. I wanted to write books. And I thought about myself as being a writer, but how many hours a day would I spend writing? Most of the time was 0. It wasn't even a couple of minutes. I thought about being a writer, but I wasn't. It seemed to be a high priority to myself. I thought it was, but it actually wasn't. And that's kind of a mental trick we're playing on ourselves. We are lying to ourselves in order to keep our self-image because it feels great. And this is why many people tend to talk about things they're not even doing, or they want to do, but they never end up doing them, because it actually feels like they are doing it. It feels like they are prioritizing that. You probably know people like that. People are saying yeah, I'm going to do X, Y, and Z, and they have these great stories around that, and they're really great at delivering them, and you think wow, he's got his life together. And then you look closer and you are okay, that's all fluff. That's all just a story in their head. So be brutally honest with yourself. Prioritize hard. Only that way you can really make progress in areas of life you really want to make progress in. By prioritizing these things and then following through and spending a lot of time on these things. Don't lie to yourself. Try it out. All the best to you.